Well, Mike finally pulled the anchor up, so we're moving. We didn't have the anchor down to over. There was just no wind. But we're going at a pretty nice clip. Maybe 3 or 4 knots. There you go. Beautiful. No. Oh no, it's like you get to that point, and that's it, isn't it? You know?
Not at all.
She'll take it and head into the wind a little bit? Yeah. Yeah, the kids would be screaming right now. Oh, they're sharing again. In fact, I should be screaming right now. Ho-ho! Oh, they get a kick out of it when I start yelling. Oh, look out, we're going over!
What you do to get wet?
Nice run, Mike. Nice, nice. Now you got her. Oh, yeah, yeah, you went about 1 degree too much. You see it?
Yep.
You gotta move off the bridge to your left. Just so you have that.
Oh, yeah, he'll stay clear of us, hopefully.
Yeah, good right away. On her tail. But then again, people don't know that.
Nope, they don't, do they? Oh, you're good.